हाय गाइस, मैं हुसैनी। मैं एक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ, 14 साल से एक पावर प्लांट में काम कर रही हूँ। तो आज का वीडियो बहुत ही मजेदार होने वाला है क्योंकि हम खेलेंगे एक ऑडियो विजुअल गेम। इफ यू आर ए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली टेक पार्ट इन इट। 25 क्वेश्चंस रहेगा, 5 सेकंड्स मिलेगा ईच क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए। कमेंट में अपना स्कोर जरूर बताना। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। What is the name of this tool? Pliers, spanner, hammer. Right answer, spanner. What is the name of this instrument which is used for precise measurement? Scale, vernier caliper, protractor. Right answer, vernier caliper. What is the purpose of this component? Increase friction, reduce friction, store energy. Reduce friction. This is an example of permanent joint, temporary joint, welding joint. Right answer, temporary joint. Which operation is mainly performed on this machine? Turning, milling, grinding. Right answer, turning. What is the primary function of a gear? Store heat, transmit power, cool machine. Right answer, transmit power. This tool is used for cutting threads, drilling holes, or welding. Right answer, drilling holes. What process is shown? Casting, welding, forging. Right answer, welding. Pulley is mainly used to lift loads, measure length, reduce temperature. Right answer, lift loads. Which machine is this? Compressor, turbine, centrifugal pump. Right answer, centrifugal pump. How many strokes complete in one cycle? 2, 3 or 4? Right answer, 4. What is the main function of a flywheel? To store rotational energy, to increase pressure, or to reduce temperature? Right answer, to store rotational energy. Identify this equipment: boiler, heat exchanger, condenser. Right answer, heat exchanger. What type of gear is shown here? Bevel gear, helical gear, spar gear. Right answer, spar gear. This component moves rotary motion, reciprocating motion, oscillating motion. Right answer, reciprocating motion. Steam energy is converted into chemical energy, mechanical energy, solar energy. Right answer, mechanical energy. What does CNC stand for? Computer numerical control, central numerical control, computer network control. Right answer, computer numerical control. Compared to spar gears, helical gears are generally more noisier, smoother, weaker. Right answer, smoother. What is the main output of a boiler? Steam, electricity or air? Right answer, steam. What is the function of coupling? Join two shafts, measure torque, reduce pressure. Join two shafts. Which type of turbine is this? Francis, Kaplan, Pelton. Right answer, Pelton. What point comes after the elastic limit? Yield point, melting point, boiling point. Right answer, yield point. This instrument measures pressure, temperature, speed. This is a thermocouple and it measures temperature. Next question. A compressor mainly increases volume, pressure, velocity. Right answer, pressure. Rankine cycle is associated with thermal power plant, refrigerator, petrol engine. Right answer, thermal power plant. So that's all for today guys. I hope कि आज का वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो। अपना स्कोर कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए। इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।